Hi guys, how are you today? Today I have some news for you. I have unboxed Louis Vuitton bag. Look, let's unbox with me. I'm very excited for this. Let me do. Whoa, look at this. Oh my god. The bag. Come with a bag because I ordered online. I don't know. Oh, so sweet. The receipt. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is amazing. Very biggie. Look. It's one big bag. This is the neverfull. Size is fantastic for everything. Look, I ordered cherry color inside. Come with this small bag. Oh, it's very beautiful. Really beautiful. Inside. It's very good size. It's amazing size. It's big, very big. It's a good size. Light, very light, amazing quality. It's a Louis Vuitton, amazing quality always. This is one bag for 20 years. If you care, it's 20 years. Absolutely.